How's it going, everybody? I am Louis the Average Guy 1983. Thank you very much for joining me on this video. I have this video that I'm making real quick for Mr.Steve933. It's a fellow subscriber who had asked me if I can be able to let him know how I was able to mount the horn that I have on the Segway GT1 that you see here, as well as the 9-bot Max G2. And I wanted to get a closer look here so that he can see how I did it. So underneath, I just have the original screw from what it looks like mounted in the back. And you can see that I kind of almost have the screw sort of stripped because of the fact that I had to make it really tight. The zip tie that you see here, that's actually for this mount here that I decided to use for this light. But underneath is the same exact mounting hardware. On the opposite side, it's the same deal. So you can kind of see there. And that's pretty much how I did it. It's just mounted with the same screws. I didn't have to do anything crazy, but I do have it up pretty high. Basically, I have it barely touching this bracket here, which I can move up at will just like that. So I can release the latch here and put this down if I need be. But my scooter has some scratches from the previous accident that I just had on it. So it's just been sitting here for a while because of the accident, but you can see part of the damage on the dash cam. And yeah, so I hope this video wasn't useless and helpful, but that's exactly how I mounted the horn that I had recommended. And the wire is just traveling up from here over to the back, up this way with zip ties, coming up to here and going over here on this side, across here, and right here to the top where the button's at, where it still works. So has plenty of charge even though I haven't used it for a while. But yeah, I hope you find it helpful. And again, I do apologize sincerely for not getting back to you on this. I figured I would make a video so it explains it better. But yeah, on the 9-bot Max G2, it's the same deal, except the difference between the GT1 and the Max G2, the Max G2's neck is a lot thinner. So you can see that same exact screw right over here being mounted, just as an example, because on the Max G2 I also have it. And Max G2 hasn't been written for a while either, and I'm pretty sure the horn works on it. Yeah, it sure does. So yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. Any questions about the horns, let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye.